Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by locking the core nugget. Pick a 15 to 60 second moment that grabs attention in the first 3 to 5 seconds. Once chosen, trim aggressively. Remove filler so the idea lands fast. Add captions for silent viewers, choose one short audio bed to support mood, and export in 9:16 at 1080 x 1920, 30 FPS. This early work matters because the platform's algorithm favors watch-through and quick engagement, so optimize the clip length, clarity, and visual framing now. You now focus on the complex middle. Sharpen pacing with jump cuts and 0.5 to 0.8-second timing to maintain energy. This prevents bored scroll behavior. Once done, add a subtle call-to-action graphic around 1/3 through to cue interaction without interrupting flow. Make sure to EQ and normalize your audio to about -1 to -3 decibels so speech stays clear across devices. These steps increase watch-through and shares because the viewer stays engaged and understands what you want them to do next. You finish by exporting H.264 at a 6 to 8 Mbps bitrate with a keyword-rich file name so posting tools read it correctly. Then test the final nugget on a phone and tablet. Confirm captions align and loudness translates across speakers. When you post, monitor retention for the first 3 seconds closely. If performance lags, swap thumbnails or re-edit those opening 3 seconds and run in a /B test to isolate the issue. This troubleshooting loop is key to improving reach over multiple uploads.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.